All right, welcome back, everybody. Okay, so let's just take a look at a few trades we made today. One indice, I only did the mini Russell. I didn't have anything on the metals, didn't have anything on the energies that I really liked. I did have some trades on E-mini and also had one on the mini NASDAQ, but I did not take those. The only one I took this morning was going to be on the mini Russell, and here it is. Came in right around 10:30 Eastern time. It was what we call an HF3 short. Pretty textbook trade here. HF3 short, going for first target, which actually got hit here around 11:30. So in the trade for about an hour, but it did finally hit my target, and that was it. I wasn't in too heavily, but did all right on the mini Russell. Once again, I'm only looking for four different patterns. All right, these are price patterns that I look for on every different time frame, and if I see a particular target, I can a lot of times what I can do is I will find that the larger time frame will also be setting up one of the patterns as well. So sometimes I'll get two or three different patterns all lining up pretty much at the same time. So this case, we just had one, which was an HF3 short, and this is a 1 minute chart, and my target was down around the 1788, 1789 area. So anyway, that was a trade on the mini Russell, just a short, and we had some stocks today. Surprisingly, with the Dow down, we actually had a few good trades. So let's take a look at our stocks. All right, so we had a couple really nice movers today. I think ROIV was on a lot of people's radar. There were several, but the one that I was in was ROIV. I entered prior to my start this morning in the live room. Put one on around 8:58. Let's see. Put that in exactly at 8:50, about 10 minutes before I opened up the room this morning, and then I went ahead and I added around here around 9:21. So I was in an HF1 buy. I added again. I started getting more levels here. So when I initially started, I had some levels up here, and I noticed I was building and building levels. So I did actually come into the opening with four different price targets. When it opened, it did have that explosion, which, as you know, I like to see that early morning burst. Wasn't going to get greedy and try to hold on all this, even though later on it did go higher. Once it broke through this level 3, I finally went ahead and I took an exit up here. This is actually should be a red line here. So that was my exit up here, 12.19. And I was buying in, let's see, I bought in at 12.04. And then I also added to that, buying in some more at 11.90. Let's see here, 11.87. Yeah, 11.85. So nice little trade on ROIV. All the other ones pretty much scalped. So we're just going to take a look at these two tonight. So once again, a little bit of money on the Russell. No big deal. A little bit on everything else. Big one today, obviously, $270. ROIV was able to scalp out of some Yang again, one of my favorites. Did some COSM a little bit, FEMY, and UVIX. So a little bit of scalping going on. Once again, not going for real high targets because the market was down. I was really concerned about a lot of these turning around and going south, so I wasn't going to get greedy and try to hold on because I know this stuff can turn pretty quick. So anyway, and I'm probably watch and see what the market wants to do tomorrow. Once again, I won't be having a morning show tomorrow, so no morning show on Wednesday. Hopefully be able to resume it on Thursday, so no morning show tomorrow. We'll pick it up, just have other obligations. So anyway, if I can get back early enough, late in the morning, I'll go ahead and I'll do a little bit more trading. But right now, Not sure when I'm going to make it back, so I'm not sure I'm even going to be able to put any trades on tomorrow. All right. So that's it. That wraps it up. Further information can be found on my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com, and my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. Everybody have a great day. Be careful, and we'll see you tomorrow.